Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my channel BB Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet summer tops ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These blouse designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet blouse. You can design your tops or blouse with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet blouse collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet tops. You can see more beautiful and unique designs from my channel. Mostly women like the crochet articles. All these articles are washable and durable. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. All these articles are very attractive, especially for women. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.